welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Delvin. Today I've got my first unboxing video, and I'm unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. The first thing you see once you open the box is the device itself. Once you get a hold of the device, it's covered in a plastic film, and it was a bit of a nuisance to get off at first. As you can see, it took me a few tries. So once you finally manage to get the device out of the plastic film, it's presented in a nice matte finish. And moving on to the back of the device, you can see there are going to be two ports, one for the power adapter and one is a 3.5mm audio port. So you can connect your phone or something and use it as a speaker. So moving that to the side, in the box there is a few leaflets. The first one is just a setup guide, which is quite straightforward. The next in the box is a manual, which I'm definitely not going to read at all. Then you get a small card with just a few things that you could ask your Alexa. So once you've gone through all that, at the bottom of the box is finally the power adapter. So since I'm in the UK, I receive a 3-point pin. And it will be different depending upon the location that you're living in. So yeah, just plug it into the first port on the left, which is the power adapter slot. And then power up your Alexa. So once you've connected it, it starts to power on, a blue ring will appear, and this will go on for a few minutes. This might take some time to start up, but it eventually does, and it presents you with a nice orange glow. And then be ready to listen to all of this.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa App runter und folge den Anweisungen.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa e suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa e segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Yeah, pretty much just greetings in different languages. Then you have to download the Alexa app from the App Store, either the Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. Then the setup process is quite easy. You just create an Amazon account, or if you already have one, just sign in with that. There are 4 buttons on the Echo Dot, so 2 of them are for volume up and down, which I'm just rapidly pressing at the moment, and it also has a nice animation. The final button on your device is essentially to turn the mic off, so in case you don't want your Alexa to be triggered or if you don't want it to hear you. And finally, it's the call to action button, which you press to trigger the Alexa. Let's try out a few commands. Alexa, what's the weather like?
I'm not sure where you are.
Alexa, what's the weather like in London?
Currently, in London, United Kingdom, it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight? Currently,
Alexa,
in London,
how many days is there left till the end of the year?
there are 286 days until 2022.
The Echo Dot is ready to go. This concludes the unboxing and setup.